My name is Jeremy Fields. I'm Crow, Pawnee, and Chickasaw, and I reside in Collinsville, Oklahoma. I like to take my daughters fishing because it's a positive outlet, a chance to be able to get out and get some fresh air, get exercise, and at the same time learn something that helps provide, fresh food, things of that nature. I think it's just quality time that gets to be spent away from technology, away from distractions. It's just us right there in the moment, being able to be a teacher as a father, and at the same time them being able to be in a space to learn something different than what they're used to every day. It's one of those things that allows some appreciation for your food when you have to work for it, whether it's something that you're growing or in this case that you're going and you're catching, because it does take time and patience and effort. It's a healthy outlet not only for their body and their mind, bringing them into a different space, fresh air. I think there's things that they learn in the process, learning patience, learning focus, determination, those type of things. So I think it builds character.
Hawaii, Shannon Andrews in Gunnicky. I'm a dietitian and a nutrition coordinator for the Otoe-Missouria Tribe Health Department. Through our continued collaboration with Oklahoma Tribal Engagement Partners, we'll be bringing you the Not Our Destiny recipe series. Follow along as we show you how to make easy and healthy recipes the whole family will enjoy. Remember to complete a survey to receive an incentive. Hinwa JB, Ta, Torigun.
Today we are making blackened catfish. For this recipe you will need 4 catfish fillets, thawed, 1 tablespoon of parsley flakes, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 2.5 tablespoons of paprika, half a teaspoon of black pepper. This is optional. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, pat fillets dry using a paper towel. Place the fillets on a baking sheet. Rub both sides of each fillet with the seasoning mixture. In a small bowl, combine paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, parsley, and black pepper if using. The Otoe word for catfish is bihe. There are many kinds of catfish found across Indian country. Most rivers, lakes, and reservoirs have a large number of catfish in them. Many tribes caught and ate catfish and still do today. The type of catfish and traditional stories related to catfish are specific to the tribe or region. Catfish is rich in protein, nutrients, and healthy fats when prepared with no added fat, like roasting or baking. Native people harvested catfish in many ways. Noodling, grappling, or a spear were often used to harvest catfish. Traditionally, catfish would have been strung on a stick and roasted over a fire or put into soups. Often, fish soup and corn mush were fed to sick people because the meal was full of nutrients and easy to digest. Bake for 15 minutes or until the fish is done and flaky. Finish with the oven broiler on low for 3 to 5 minutes. Change it up. Any whitefish will work for this recipe. Try cod, tilapia, or walleye. For more spice, add a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper to the seasoning mixture. Serve with roasted or grilled vegetables for a quick meal. This recipe makes 4 servings. 1 serving is 1 fillet. Enjoy!